In this short video, I'm going to be showing you where to find the hotspot password of your Android device. Now, there are two different ways you can go about doing this, and I'm going to be showing you both ways. But before I do that, I do want to mention one thing. I am using a Samsung S23 for this tutorial, so the process I'm about to show you might be a little bit different depending on the type of device that you're using. So if you're using the Samsung S20 or another Android device, then yeah, the process might be a little bit different. But generally speaking, it should be relatively similar. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your settings, and from here look for connections, click on that, and then scroll down until you find the mobile hotspot setting. Then, as you can see, mobile hotspot, click on that again, and this will bring me to my final mobile hotspot kind of settings. Now here you can see network name and password. So in my case, the password is Wizard Apps, which is the name of the channel. Now, if using a brand new phone, then the password might be preset to some random numbers or letters or whatever, or it might not even be set. So this is your opportunity to set your password to whatever you want. Now, the easier way you can go about doing this or finding your password for the mobile hotspot is to simply scroll down from the top of your screen and then find the mobile hotspot shortcut. As you can see, it's right here on my screen at the bottom right. Instead of tapping it, I'm simply going to hold it, and that will prompt me to that same screen. It's much easier, much faster. And yeah, that's pretty much everything to know about where you can find your hotspot password. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help.